Good evening, Georgians. Welcome to online class, emails, surfing, and browsing. So we are going to start with our last lesson of computer, that is ninth lesson. What is Internet? Internet stands for International Network. Internet is a worldwide collection of computers that are used to share information amongst each other. These computers are connected to each other through telephone wires, mode of satellite links, or other means enabling them to share information amongst each other. So we can say that internet we are connecting from computer to computer. It can be by computer to telephone, or it can be you can say through satellite. Okay. What is surfing net? Now, internet is one of the best technology gifted to mankind in the present scenario. As we all know, COVID situation, every class, every lecture, whether you are submitting homework or you are just completing any project, and when you are submitting it, we are using internet. So, present scenario, we all are aware how internet is useful for us. It has brought the entire world at your fingerprint, right? So everything is done with the help of just a click with your finger. You are connecting to different people. Communication has given rapid growth to business worldwide. Nowadays everything is online. You can see online grocery, online you can say different products, or online you can say different things you can purchase. So it is giving rapid growth, especially businesses you can say worldwide. It has revolutionized the whole world, and made computer the most effective communication tool. Internet give us access to information of almost every subject. So if you want to get any detail of any subject, any topic, then best way is to find out with the help of Google, right? Nowadays you must have seen, even when you are just making your mic on and you speak out directly, even by that method also you can find out information on Google form, right? So this is the all advanced technology we are doing. No need to type, you can directly open a mic and you can speak out on Google, and Google will give you the reply, right? So best way of communicating. Now, in this lesson, we are also going to see about the emails. Email stand for electronic mail. It is it is a faculty on, you can say facility on internet to send and receive messages. So generally you will find that electronic mail we are is using, or we are getting a facility on internet to send and receive messages, just like your mobile phone, right? When someone is sending you a message, it goes where? In your inbox. When you are typing something and you want to save it, where you are saving it? In the draft. When you want to say send a message, what you do? You open Compose, you type there, or you open a draft where you have already saved and you click on send. Same way email is also used in a same pattern. There also you will find inbox, okay, draft, sendbox, composed, all options are there, right? So it is similar to, you can say WhatsApp. It is similar to, you can say normal messages. Only difference is there, extra features are there. You can send word file, photos, videos, audios, okay, in a email. It works like, you can say, conventional correspondence. The best part of email is that a single mail can be sent to number of persons at a time. On WhatsApp you must have seen, one photo you can send maximum 5 people, right? But in email there is no restriction. You can send 10, 15, 20 people. One email you can send to 20 people in one click. So that's a difference. Earlier WhatsApp was also having, but now they have restricted that maximum 5 people at a time. Okay, we can attach photos, videos, or important, you can say, data along with our messages. These extra files are called attachment. You can attach, as I told, it can be a PowerPoint presentation. Even sometimes you must have noticed your projects what you're making of different subject, you click pictures, make a PDF file, and then you attach that folder to a respective subject teacher's Gmail account or email account, and then you're sending it. So that is called, you can say, file attachment. Now further you will find email account, how to create it, how to set the password, login ID and all. What is email addresses, how email addresses are useful. Creating your first email account, how to create it, using an email account, receiving, forwarding, replying or deleting an email. So all this topic I am sharing a video with you on the group. Kindly watch it, you will understand it practically, because this is practical based topic. If I give you theory, you will understand nothing about it, right? So I'm sharing a video where all these topics are going to be covered, where you will come to know what is email account, how you have to put the password, how you have to set the, you can say, the different pattern, how you are receiving a mail, how to send a mail, how you have to delete the mail, or you want to give a reply to someone. So all that methods you will understand practically in a video which I am sending you. Okay, so I have completed with my ninth lesson our topic or computer. All 9 lessons are completed. Okay, second term, you all know 5 to 9 lessons are there. Notes I will be uploading soon within this 1 or 2 days time. Complete your book and keep it. I will put in the group when you have to click picture and submit to my Gmail account. Okay, so that update I will be giving you very soon. Okay, stay home, be safe. Computer portion is completed.